G'day there, welcome to What's Mark Cooking. This week I'm cooking a beef stroganoff. Beef stroganoff is basically a Russian stew with meat and mushrooms. There's a few other bits and pieces that go into it, but the cooking process is pretty easy. It should take us around about 30 minutes, so let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. I'll list all the ingredients along with the quantities in the description below. Our first step is to cut up our meat. We're going to cut into thin strips about 3 or 4 millimeters thick. By the way, I have trimmed off most of the fat. Our meat should look like that when it's cut. Next, onto the mushrooms. We're going to cut these in fairly thick slices. They're done. Next, onto the onion. Use about half of this onion. We're going to dice this onion up pretty finely. One day I'm going to cut my fingers doing this. Not today. That's done. Last bit of prep is garlic. Chop it up fairly finely. That's done. That's all our preparation done. Time to start cooking. Time to get some heat into the pan. About 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll wait for that to heat up, then we'll add our meat. I think that's hot enough now. Time to add our meat. This won't take too long to cook. The meat is fairly thin, so it won't take very long at all. Cook your meat till all the pink is gone, turning them over to make sure it's cooked on both sides. Once all the pink is gone, remove the meat from the pan. Add our 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, we'll add our onions and garlic and mushrooms. The butter has fully melted, now to add the onion and the garlic. We can also add the mushrooms at this stage. Mushrooms are coming along nicely, just a little bit more. At this stage, you're going to add the flour. The flour will help thicken the sauce. Just give that a minute or two for the flour to cook. I think that's enough. Time to add the thickened cream. Time for the beef stock. About a cup of the beef stock. Giving it a really good stir. Now it's probably good a time as any to add our salt and pepper. Time for a good dash of Worcestershire. About half a teaspoon of Dijon Mustard. We'll let this thicken up a little bit before we add our meat back in. I'm just going to ladle some of this out to tip of my sour cream. I think that's thick enough. Time to add our meat back into the mixture. I've mixed together the sour cream and a little bit of the mixture I took out. Now time to add that into the mixture. Give it a good mix. I think that's done. Time to take it off the heat. Our pasta is cooked, it needs to be strained and it's ready to dish up. Let's dish up. Let's start up with a bit of pasta. Next, the beef stroganoff. It's looking delicious. Time for the taste test. Well, this is the first time I've cooked beef stroganoff. Let's give it a taste. It won't be the last, that's for sure. Well, I hope you liked today's recipe, and if you did, hit a like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Don't forget, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching, bye.